Alright, so I'm going to be going over how to make these plastic latches in a bed compartment of a Tacoma to become locking, like so. So the locks that I used are cam locks. I grabbed the 5/8 from Prime Products. I got it off Amazon.ca. It's about 25 bucks for a 4-pack. And they're all keyed the same, so you don't have to keep a whole bunch of keys. So first you undo this screw on the back of the door and you pull the plastic metal latch unit out, and the existing hole is smaller than what these cam locks are. These cam locks, the diameter is 3/4, and I think that's probably 5/8. So what I use is this step bit that goes out to 3/4, and you'll just drill all the way through and this whole unit will just slide in. So there we go, it's drilled all the way through, and this guy fits perfectly. So on the back, there is this tab here that is used for this to butt into, so it stops at a certain location. But with these cam locks, you don't need it, and I'll be in the way, so I'll just cut it off with an X-Acto knife. So after doing that drilling and cutting, it should look like this. And you put it through. And then there are these hex little washers or nuts that you will screw on to the product, and pretty much it'll make it tight to your door. And then you just use 2 wrenches. I use a 7/8 for the hex nut and a 16 for the unit itself to hold it from moving. So I made it pretty snug. It's not going to go anywhere. And if you look on the locking unit, there's, if it can focus, there's that little metal piece at the top here, and that's pretty much what stops your lock. That's kind of like what this does. So that stops your lock. So I have it placed to the top. In this unit, you'll just have to position it if you want your lock to rotate the same as the design on the outside. It shows open is going counterclockwise, so you just have to see how the key works and position this little washer, or whatever this thing's called, to work with it properly. So once you get it all lined up, you just put the latch on, and I have the bend facing inwards. Tighten up the screw, and it works going in the way that I want it to go with the diagram that says open counterclockwise. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that to the other side, and you can do it to the small compartment as well, so you have 2 full locking compartments in the back of your Tacoma. Alright, thanks for watching.